Friends, in this video, I'm going to talk to you about making a fast buck and what you do with it. Many of you would have participated in this post-COVID bull run. In my view, it's a short burst, an exciting bull run, something that has taken a lot of people by surprise. Experienced participants have viewed it one way. New entrants have viewed it differently. Naturally, newer entrants would have made a faster buck because they are more courageous than those who have seen different situations before. If you are one of them who made a quick buck, who opened an account, got in, had a lot of beginner's luck, made a lot of money, kept changing your investments and are very nimble, here is something which you should consider. I say this from observation and experience. The experience of being a newbie in the market and making a fast buck is not new to me. It's probably new to you, but both of us have been there before. The point is, we need to learn how to ensure that what luck has come our way stays with us. I was lucky that I took a break from the market, sold everything and went away for 1 year in 92-93. Today, you don't have that luxury. You are in a connected world. You are always connected to the stock market through your phone, through your zero brokerage, through various ways. Therefore, the thing that you need to do is look at your success. Look at what has given you money, where you are, look at your portfolio, identify where your luck has run ahead of itself. Wherever luck runs ahead of itself, the companies will be valued far more, discounting the future long into it. In that situation, look at the investment carefully. Do a few things. First, pair it to levels at which even if it sees a substantial fall, it doesn't affect you. Second, keep enough for you to feel that you continue to participate in it and don't feel bad if it goes up. So, pair your position and right sizes to a level where if it still does well, you are still in it, and if it goes down, you have taken enough money off the table. Second point, look at your investments closely, find out which are these ideas where luck and chance have delivered better. A classic is companies that make remdesivir. It was seen as a very important drug, and then suddenly the World Health Organization says it's not needed. But the stock prices have all run up and you've seen a lot of movement. In such situations, I believe that you should take money off the table. Wherever it's not sustainable, where luck has done more work for us than we expected it to, make sure that the good work done by luck stays with you. So that's very, very critical. So look at what has worked for you. Look at what has worked more than you expected. And lastly, look at what has not worked for you. Something that has failed, you should look at it very, very closely and understand whether that failure is temporary or it could be permanent. Whenever you fail, you have to deal with failure. Don't think that time will deal with your investment failures. If in a bull run like this, your failures look like they do not have redemption, they probably don't have redemption. So, look at it closely and move out of failure where you clearly sense that it is not temporary, it is structural, and it will probably not get well anytime soon. If you do these three things, then you would be able to safeguard yourself. There is one more angle which I think you can look at if you have been very lucky in this bull market. And that is something that I have done to varying degrees in every bull run at the end of a bull run. That is, one asset class has given you a lot. In this case, equity. See if you can take some money out of that asset class and put it into other asset classes. Today, if you construct 4 building blocks as assets, you have debt, you have equity, you have gold, you have real estate. Debt today is hardly attractive. Equity is expensive, which brings you to the other two asset classes. You have the choice of using the money earned in equity in the other two asset classes. You can take some profits off and put it in gold. You can take some profits off and buy yourself an investment in real estate, or you can use some of the money that you made which has come unexpectedly your way or which has exceeded your expectations to reduce your liabilities on the real estate front. So, two clear choices for you to protect what you've got, to protect the good luck that came your way, is to make some exposure in gold or to raise your exposure in gold. The other option is to increase your exposure to real estate or reduce your liability on the real estate front. Luck is a visitor who doesn't come all the time, and when he comes, you should ensure that he leaves behind something lasting. Do keep watching I Thought Wealth. We will discuss with you a lot of perspectives that we learn together, that I have learned in my journey and I have learned from friends. Here is a medium where we can interact, exchange, do share your views and let us know what you think. Thank you for watching.